Wow, I'm impressed. This is actually going to be my new office heater. I am extremely impressed with this, my friends. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. So today we are reviewing another heater. So this is an electric heater. You have 2 times the speed, so 2 warming speeds, wide swing angle, you have fast and quiet heating, natural wind, PTC ceramic heating, multiple safety features. All right, let's go ahead and show you guys what you get, and we're gonna test it out for you. So it looks like it does come protected. They give a nice little manual here. So this is it, a nice, small, compact space heater. So as you can see, this is for tip prevention and protection. So that way, not prevention, but protection, I should say. They give you plenty of power cable. That way you can have this pretty far from your outlet. On here, it has a README. First of all, press the minus to turn on the main power switch. So right here, that turns on the main power switch. And then press this on top to turn it on. So as you can see up here, you just simply press. So you press to turn it on, and this turns it left and right. So it says after turning off, it still blows out wind for 20 seconds till completely shutting off. Just be patient. There might be some odor at first, at the first few times of use because of the protective layer. It's not toxic. It's not harmful. It passed the ROHS certification. All right, let's go ahead and test this out. Man, I really love small and compact heaters. So, like always, I like to test out the watts. It produces 0 watts when it's just plugged in. So let's go ahead. All right, turn on the back. Press this. All right, so now let's first see the climbing watts, so you guys can get an idea of what it climbs up to. So climbing watts normally go really high. So this did not even hit 800. It could be on low. So let's go ahead and press. All right, so now, oh no, that's just a fan. So, okay, so the blue indicates that it's just a fan mode. I don't think it's heating. If it is heating, it's almost nothing. No, it's just a fan mode. And that only pulls in not even 3 watts. That's amazing. You press it again and it turns off. You press it again and it's on. Red is the heating element. So like I said, the first time it didn't go up to 800. That is amazing. We'll see here. Almost, no. That's amazing. So right there, that's gonna save you a lot of money. It heats up very quick. I am impressed with this. Wow. And it doesn't take a crazy amount of watts. I always say most space heaters on medium to high take anywhere from 950 to 1200 and up to 1700 watts. This is really hot. I mean really, really hot. And we're just hovering close to 600 watts. So this is gonna save you a lot more money than your typical space heater. Now, let's test out the turning feature. That's only using a couple watts. And as you can see, it turns a decent amount. Now the cable could be holding it up a little bit. So let's try now. So it's interesting, it's faster the one way and slower the other, which is fine, but man, I'm telling you guys, I can feel the heat pretty far away. That's impressive for this small heater. And we're still just close to that 600, so now, turn off the turning. Now comes the safety features. Whoa. And it stays off then. That is an extremely good feature. And look at all I'm doing. It's barely lifting. That's it. I press it just enough and it turns off. This is probably the best heater for pets and kids, 100%. I mean, look at this. Look how far. It barely gets off the ground. Right there, it's off. Wow. Let's go ahead and test out now backwards. It's off. Okay. Let's test forward. It's off. Wow. So that sensor, I mean, sensor, that works amazing. Wow. I'm impressed. This is actually going to be my new office heater. I am extremely impressed with this, my friends. Not only does it not use a crazy amount of watts, anything under 1,000 is a plus. And this is closer to 500 than 1,000, so that's an extremely good plus. It doesn't even hit 800 on the climb. Most space heaters, you know, I've had little space heaters that are a maximum of 500 watts, but they reach up to 900 watts when they first turn on. This one doesn't even reach up to 800. Impressive. And nobody's telling me to say this. I am impressed. Space heaters I love because I work from home all day long, and I am so impressed with this. I want to give it a 5-star rating from me personally. That's how impressed I am with the safety features and how much heat that it blows out. And in the back, you can see a nice fan area. You can pull this tab off to take off the cover to clean any dust. I mean, this is, let's go ahead and actually see how hard this is. Look at this. Look, and right here's a dust cover, and you just clean this off. Impressive. This thing just keeps impressing me. Wow. Well, for my first initial use, I gave it a 5-star. I'm going to have to do a 6-month update on this and see, but for the first use, for the first impressions, 5 stars, absolutely all day.